To view the list of voucher program beneficiaries per school year, go to View List of VPBs in the navigation panel and select the school year by clicking the drop-down list beside the page title. To display the list of VPBs per grade level, click the plus sign. Click the minus sign to minimize the selection. To print a list of VPBs, select the type of list from the drop-down list. All for a list of billed and unbilled VPBs. All billed for a list of billed VPBs. All billed with billing status of submitted to DepEd-CO and payment released for a list of billed VPBs with the indicated billing status only. Click Print VPB List and the system will generate a PDF file of the type of list selected.